Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Phillips espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder as this basically snapped from the grinder itself. So we had to get a new one and put it in there and calibrate it to the machine. We also had to replace a fitting from the thermoblock itself. This one unfortunately was just cracked and leaking all over the place and all over the counter as well. So once we replaced the fitting and we replaced the grinder, the machine it's just been working perfectly fine. And now we're going to do a cappuccino, so that way we test everything in one shot, including the side of the machine and the spouts of the machine itself. So now we just put over here, cappuccino, and then I'm just gonna hit play. And the machine, the new grinder will start grinding coffee beans, getting into the brew unit. Then once it does that, the brew unit will just pressurize itself by the motor, where the water pump is gonna start pushing water from the tank all the way into the thermoblock, outside of this fitting, then going into the brew unit and then out into the spouts. But first it has to do some steam, which means it needs to heat up this side and then froth the milk first. As you see like that. We're not using milk, we're using milk thinner. This is Barista, and as you can see, it also froths the same way as milk. You can see the froth going all the way here and growing. Nice flow coming from the carafe itself. It's a good temperature. As you can see, the steam coming out from the carafe. There you go. Now it's finished doing the frothing. It's going to automatically clean itself and cool down as well, so it doesn't burn the coffee that is going to brew. Now the brew unit is pushing against itself and is pressurizing, and the water pump is now pulling water from the tank all into the outside of the thermoblock and into the brew unit and then out of the spouts. It's gonna do pre-infusion just a little bit. Oh, we ran out of water.
Second, be happy about the pumps.
Everything, baby.
Fortunately, we ran out of water. But thankfully, the machine knows that we ran out of water, so it paused itself and now it's letting us continue brewing that espresso shot. That's one of the features I have not seen in other machines. Some machines, when they run out of water, they just completely stop the process. They don't let you do anything. They dump the coffee grounds and let you restart again. This machine knows when it's out of water and it will just pause itself and then it will continue brewing once there's enough water in the water tank. Now the brew unit is going to dispose of the grounds into the tray and the machine will be ready to do another shot of espresso. From this side over here, as you can see, there's no leaks coming out from the machine and the machine is just working the way it's supposed to. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.